Okay, last class or previous class we are discussing about production, meaning of production and what is production. These are all we are understand in the previous class. In this class I am going to teach a particular concept of production function. What is production function? Here, the production function is referred various inputs. The production function, it is a relation between inputs used and output produced. In this production process, various inputs are used in the production and various outputs are produced in the firm. This is called a production function. So, the production function also defined for a technology. Production function defines for a technology. It means the production function for a technological knowledge. Production function is a technological knowledge. It determines maximum level of output that is produced by using various levels of inputs. So, in this function, we are all understand with the formula like Q, it is a output, Q is a output, F is a functional relation, F means functional relation, Q means output. So, various inputs like X1, X2, X3 and X4, this is inputs. Various inputs. These inputs used in the production, the producers output a particular product. The output functional relationship with various inputs, X1 inputs, X2 inputs, X3 inputs and X4 inputs. These inputs are also called factors of production. These inputs are also called factors of production. So, we already in the previous class, we are understand the factors of production. There are 4 factors of production. First one is land, labor, capital and organization. These 4 we call in the production factors of production and also we call inputs. With these inputs, many inputs are used in the production like money, capital, labors, many of them. For example, a firm used 2 types of inputs. 2 inputs only. We take for example land, labor. A firm use only 2 types of inputs. Okay. One inputs, it is called 2 types of inputs like Q is equal to F, K and L. Understand? Here we are already understand Q means output, F means it is a functional relationship with the inputs. Understand? K means capital, L means labor. These 2 inputs using in the production, the firm produce a maximum level of output. the maximum level of production. Understand? The relationship between input and output, it is called a production function. The producer always, their intention always, they are earning more income. They are gaining more revenue. Each and every firm's intention earning more revenue. As well as this production also, firm using two types of inputs and produce maximum level of output. Producing maximum level of output. This is called a production function. This is called production function. Understand the production function. It's referred to input used and output produced. Here we used inputs K capital, L labor. We use these inputs and produce maximum level of output. Output means finished goods or completed goods. Output means. Okay. Next we move on. Next topic, very important, ISO cont. We move on. Next topic in this lesson, ISO cost. ISO cont. ISO cont refer to set of various possible combination of two inputs. It yield maximum level of output. Understand? Listen, ISO cont means related. What is production only? It's not related others. It is only related about production. Previous chapter, in the second chapter in your lesson, we are all understand different curves. Indifference curves. The indifference curves related with the consumers, but ISO cont, it's related with the production. Okay, ISO cont refer a set of various possible combination of two inputs. It yield maximum level of output. Two inputs. What are the two inputs? L and K. Means L labor, K means capital. Okay. And this ISO cont refer to a production carried out in the firm. Now, this ISO cont, we move on with the diagram. With a diagram, ISO cont. Okay. Here, suppose a firm using two types of inputs. We know that two types, labor and capital. These inputs using and produce maximum level of output. Here we move on. We going on with a diagram like XY axis represent capital. Y axis represent capital and X axis represent labor. Understand? Listen carefully. Y axis, it is vertical axis. Vertical means straight. Vertical axis represent capital and horizontal axis represent labor. Here I draw the three isocont screws. I draw the three isocont screws. Here, first Q means output is equal to Q1, Q is equal to Q2, Q is equal to Q3. This is the different types of isocont screws. Here, suppose a firm, a factory, a company use K2 units of capital. In the beginning, with the draw, I explained Y axis represent capital. A firm means company, manufacture company. A firm use K2 units of capital and L1 units of labor. K means capital, L means labor. A firm using K2 units of capital and L1 units of labor, it yield Q1 level of output. Q1 level of output. Understand? The production, Q1 level of production, the firm getting output. Next, if a firm using K1 of capital and L2 units of labor, a firm using K1 units of capital and L2 units of labor, it yield Q1 level of output. Here K2 and L1, K1 and L2, it's determined same level of output. It determines same level of output. Q1 level of output. Suppose the capital is constant, it is not yet changing. The capital, it's not changing. Only the firm changing variable combination like L means labor L2 to L3. The firm had Q2 level of output. The firm had Q2 level of output. So, understand, each and every firm using variable inputs and increasing their production. Here, K2 and L1, K1 and L2 represent same level of output. Here, the firm only using labor, increasing labor L2 to L3, the output also increasing. The output is called Q2 level of output. Means both factor in the production, both means labor, capital, both factor are increasing in the firm. Automatically the production is also increasing. Clear? So here Q1 represents lower level of output, Q2 represents higher level of output. Understand? Here Q1 equal to 100 units of output, Q2 represents 200 units of output. Means it is lower level of output, it is higher level of output. Clear? This is called a isocont. It is a set of various combinations of two inputs, like two inputs K and L. Two inputs It increasing maximum level of output. It held maximum level of output. This is called an ISO code. It's very important for your examination purpose. Clear? Okay. Next, we move on. Very simple topic. Production periods. We move on. A simple topic. Production periods. One is short run, long run. Short run and long run means short run alpavadi, long run means dirghavadi. Short run and long run periods of production. Here in the short run period, two inputs, one input variable means changing, always changing. It's called variation. Here we take two factors, labor and capital. In the short run period, labor is a fixed and capital is variation. Or capital is a fixed and labor is a variation. Any one input, any one factor, it is fixed and other factor, it is variable, means changing. It is called short run periods of production. Suppose capital fixed and labor variation or labor increasing. Suppose labor fixed, capital increasing. At least one factor should be a fix in the short run production, short run period. Other factors are variable. Next, long run. Long run, here all the factors are variable. There is no one factor fixed in this production period. Means long run period. Here labor and capital always variable. No one fixed here. It is called what is short run and long run period. Next, we move on in the production topic TP, AP and MP. Means what is a TP? Total product, average product, marginal product. Means ಒಟ್ಟು ಉತ್ಪನ್ನ, ಸರಾಸರಿ ಉತ್ಪನ್ನ, ಸೀಮಾಂತ ಉತ್ಪನ್ನ. Total product, average product and marginal product. What is the meaning of TP? This total production, ಒಟ್ಟು ಉತ್ಪನ್ನ. What is meaning of TP? The TP, total production, means the production means it's a relation between input, variable inputs and outputs. Variable inputs and output. Nothing that total product is the relationship between variable inputs and output. It's called total production. Okay. When we see in this diagram, it is one of example diagram like TPL is equal to sigma MPL. L means factors, variable factors. L means variable factors. Sigma means it is added. Sigma. This is a formula to find out a total production. Suppose if I am using one unit of labor and 10 units of total output product. If I am using 2 units of labor, this is labor. If using 14 units of output. Suppose if I am using 3 units of labor, the firm output, it end output 16. Suppose the firm using 4 units of labor, automatically the marginal product it came to down like 10. Next, suppose it's using 5 units of labor, the product is 6. Suppose the firm uses 6 units of labor, the firm is the product of 1. Means it is totally decrease the product. When the labor increasing, the marginal product decreasing. Here, sometime the marginal product increase after the marginal product decrease. Understand? And how to find out the marginal product in this? So this is a formula to find out. They are given in your examination. They given formula to find out the marginal product. Very simple. Understand? This is labor units. The firm using labor units 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The firm gain output, head output. This is output. It is what is the meaning of this? Is sigma. The sigma means added. Sigma means added. Means marginal product as added. Plus. Okay, here 10 to 14, 10 to 60, 40 plus 10, 50, 50 plus 6, 56, 56 plus 1, 57. This is the marginal product production. It is called marginal production. The total production relation between various output and inputs. Next, we completed total production. How to find out total production? It's the TPL is equal to sigma MPL. Next, we move on AP. How to find out AP? Means average product. The AP means average product means inputs for a units of inputs for a units of outputs. For a units of inputs for a units of output, it is called average production. The average production is equal to TPL divided by L. This is a formula of average product. Each and every total production, average production and marginal production, each and every they have own formulas. It is the formula of AP. How to find out AP? Here they understand 1, 10, 2, 14, 3, 16, 4, 10, 5, 6, and 6, 1. Here, how to find out AP means how average production. Here, we take labor, 2 units of labor. We take 2 units of labor and 2 units of labor, how much they are producing output. We take 2 units of labor, and how to produce, how to output a particular 2 units of labor. How? Plus add 10 and plus 14. 24 is equal to divided by 2 means 12. It is an average product. Means we are added this. This is a 2 labor. We take 2 units of labor means formula L. L means labor. We take 2 units of labor and back return back side how many product they are output to using 2 units of labor. 10 plus 40, 24 divided by 2 is equal to 12. It is an average product. It is an average production. Next, marginal production. Marginal production, it is also changing in outputs, changing in inputs, changing for a unit of output, changing for a unit of inputs. Like it is also have a formula, means MPL is equal to delta TP is equal to delta L. Marginal products also have a formula to find out how to find out marginal product. MP marginal product, L means factors, inputs, delta represent changing, change. It is represent change. TP and delta L means MPL is equal to changing in input divided by changing in output. Changing in inputs and changing in outputs. So we find out in this marginal product we have moved with a diagram. Without diagram we can't understand this marginal product. Last topic, this diagram. After completed this diagram, the total, marginal and average product come to end. Here, labor per unit. Next TP. Next MP. Next AP means sigma MP MPL. Next TPL divided by L. Sorry, delta TPL divided by delta L. Next TPL divided by L. This is the formula. We can apply this factor when we find out this average, marginal and total product. Here, understand, this is the labor units. Labor units. Suppose a firm using 0 units of labor. The firm is not using any labors. Particular a shoe factory or biscuit factory, anything, factories. The firm using 0 units of labor. Total product how much? It is also 0. Marginal product also 0. And average product also 0. Because the firm is not using any labor. Next, suppose the firm using 1 units of labor, the total product 10 and average product also 10. Marginal product also 10, average product also 10. Because this is, we go to add it minus this 10 minus 0, 10. 10 minus 0, 10. Here also same apply. There is no changes in total product and marginal product and average product. If a firm using 2 units of labor, the outputs, units of outputs, how much? 24. The units of output 24. The total product of 24. Here we can go to minus the back. is L, labor, total product, labor change is 24 minus 10, 14. 24 minus 10, 14. And how to find out the AP or the average product? Here 24 divided by 2. 24 divided by 2 means 2 units of labor, total product 24. That's why we go to divided by 24 divided by 2. How many? 12. This is a total product. Next, if the firm using 3 units of labor, it's a total product 40. Okay. Next we move on. Marginal product 40 minus 24. 40 minus 24, 16. Again, same, we divided by 40 divided by 3. 40 divided by 3, like same. 13.3. 40 divided by 3, 13.3. And also the firm using 4 units of labor, and it's 50 units of total product. 50 minus 40, 10. 50 minus 40, 10. Again we move to divided by 50 to 50 divided by 4, 12.5. Next labor, the firm using 5 units of labor, the total product 56 means 56 minus 50, 6 only, and 56 divided by 5, 11.5. Next 6 units of labor a firm using, and the product 57, total product 57. Here 57 minus 56, 57 minus 56, 1. It's divided by 57 divided by 6 of 9.3. It is a find out of marginal and average and total product. Here in the beginning we also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is 1? 10 units, and 14, 16, again 10, next 6 of 1. Here also same 6. Find out here. This is marginal product. This is marginal product. 1, 6, 10, 16, 14, 10, 0. Here also 1, 6, 10, 16, 14, 0. Find out in a marginal product. Okay. Thank you, student. Tomorrow I will go to teach another part of in this lesson. Thank you very much.